Since 1978, Bond Securcom has been providing security solutions to Canada's leading businesses. I'm Ellie, and I'm proud that over the 45 years, we've helped many companies design and fit out their security requirements. We started as a small team of motivated individuals that cared about what they do, and today, we're the industry leaders. Our mission is to create innovative, reliable solutions that integrate into our clients' lives, and we exceed their expectations by providing the best-in-class customer service. We're security system integrators, from video surveillance and access control to intrusion systems, intercoms, water detections. We partner with major developers and builders to keep every project safe. Our work spans office towers, residential multi-unit dwellings, industrial complexes, and institutional facilities, all throughout the Greater Toronto Area. Every system we install goes beyond just equipment. It's peace of mind for our clients and protection for their businesses. At Bond Securcom, innovation, integration, and excellence are at our core, and this extends to every member of our team. We believe our greatest strength lies in our people. Dedicated professionals who work every day to make the world a better place. We want every employee to feel like part of the big family. We grow together, learn together, and achieve new heights together. At Bond, we provide video surveillance systems, access control, intrusion, water leak detection, and communication systems. Every developer and property manager has a unique pain point, and that pushes us to find the perfect security solution tailored to their needs. Reliable and built to last. At Bond Securcom, we do more than install security systems. We create safer environments. In today's world, safety isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Want to protect your business? Call Bond at 416-256-6666 or visit us on the web at bondsecure.com. At Bond, we're looking for new people to join us. We're looking for individuals that are highly motivated and have the right attitude. Everything else we can teach. We're also looking for clients that are looking for a security partner that's able to work with them right from the design stage and see the projects through with minimum pain. Whether you join us as a new team member or whether you become our client, together we'll build a better future.